Welcome back to the veg garden, everybody. Today I will be terracing the top part of my garden, as I believe this is an underutilised area within the veg garden. So I've marked out where my terraces will be going with short bamboo canes, and I'm cutting into the soil with a spade. As you can see, I cut down and cut across and draw that soil back to widen the level. I then pat down the top one to give it a bit of support to stop it rolling and collapsing down the bank. And then I have also got to deal with bramble and ivy roots as I go along, as these are quite prolific in this corner of the garden. I also ran into docks and dandelions and the odd bit of couch grass, so I had to dig all them out as I went as well. As you can see, the bottom is quite tough, compacted soil, whereas the top is quite nice, friable soil, and it's a bit lighter in colour. So I'll finish levelling this off, and then I'll bring you back. Now, before I show you the final product, I just want to note that I've used these boards and posts to hold the bank back. As you can see, I've completed the terracing project now. I just need to put a bit of mulch down, and here we go. I've put a bit of goat manure down on the lower levels. I'll be putting potatoes here, I think, in the spring and summer. Then the two middle ones are just bare soil at the moment, but I'll be mulching them soon after this video. I put a few potato peelings and veg scraps here just to rot down, and then on the top layer I've got a bit of horse manure. It's full of hay and straw and a bit of manure, and there's also some worms starting to find their way into it. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.